Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the third chapter, Meeting Life Challenges. This chapter is basically related to the stress. What is stress, types of stress, what are the challenging to face the stress, and different types of models related to stress. Means this chapter is wholly solely is related to topic stress. So first we start with the question number 1. The question number 1 is explain the concept of stress. What is a stress? Stress is defined as a pattern of responses an organism makes to stimulus event disturbs equilibrium and exceeds person's ability to cope. Means stress is a set of responses. Stress is a set of responses, a pattern of responses, how we respond, and in that response, actually, what happened? It disturbs the equilibrium of the individual. Equilibrium means the individual is not in a balanced state and exceeds a person's ability to cope, and also person is not able to cope up with the situation. The person is not able to handle the situation exactly. And the father of stress, Hansel, the father of modern stress, he defined stress as the non-specific response of the body to any demand. Means non-specific response, we can't judge in advance how we react to this situation. That's why he called non-specific response of the body, to any demand. How we are responding to in non-specific manner to any situation, right? I hope you will clear now. You all have clear with the meaning of our stress. And the second question is distinguish between the eustress and distress, giving suitable example. Eustress and distress. Eustress actually called the positive stress. It's actually a positive stress, we can say. Suppose you are planning for a trip, and before one night before trip, you will not able to be sleep. नींद नहीं आती है आपको बेसिकली. यू फील लाइक कि कब सुबह हो और हम ट्रिप पे जाएं. That excitement is actually a part of eustress. That is eustress, right? And one more example of eustress is like marriages and functions at our homes. हमारे घर पे जब कोई फंक्शन होता है, राइट, वेडिंग है, उस टाइम पे जो हमें स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, एंड ड्यू टू दैट स्ट्रेस हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are performing so well, we are trying to do our best. That is eustress. Describes the level of stress that is good and positive, and one of the best assets for achieving peak performances and managing minor crises. Like best example is weddings and functions at our homes, right? Then distress is the manifestation of stress that causes our bodies wear and tear. For example, some people take exams as a anxiety of exams as a in positive way. Some people sometimes so stressed with the exams that converted into distress. They are not able to handle that situation, and they manifest stress in such a way that totally the damage of their body in physical form or in psychological form. Now third question is given what is the model of Lazarus. Third question is describe the Lazarus general model of stress appraisal. It is also known as a cognitive theory. It is also known as a cognitive theory, right? It is also known as a cognitive theory. According to this theory, Lazarus said that an individual how an individual respond to a stressful situation largely depends upon the how the person perceive that situation and interpreted और appraised. उस situation को वो कैसे perceive करके interpret कैसे कर रहा है, interpretation of the situation or appraised, right? Basically he divides this thing into two parts. First is primary appraisal and secondary appraisal. Primary appraisal refers to the perception of a new or changing environment as a positive, neutral or negative in its consequences, right? Means primary appraisal means हम सिचुएशन को परसीव कैसे कर रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव परसीव कर रहे हैं और न्यूट्रल, नेगेटिव. If we are perceiving positive, then we are able to handle that situation, right? Exams आए and you are taking it as a positive, it means you are handling your situation, right? पेपर अच्छा नहीं हुआ, आपने कहा I will do my best next time, I'll try my best this time, but I will prepare more for next time and I will do more good, right? In neutral or negative, when you are perceiving the situation as a negative, right, and negative events are appraised for the possible harm, and there are three events what we included in the negative events. Harm is the assessment of the damage that has already done. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज़ हार्म कि पहले ही जो डैमेज हो चुका है. थ्रेट इज़ द असेसमेंट ऑफ पॉसिबल फ्यूचर कि थ्रेट क्या होगा हमें फ्यूचर में. एंड चैलेंज इज़ द एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ द एबिलिटी टू कोप अप विद द सिचुएशन कि हम सिचुएशन के साथ कोप अप कैसे कर सकते हैं.